Okay, Kevin said, Josh, what are the most effective ways to grow your connection list on LinkedIn? Have anything to say about this, Evan?
For growing connections on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
For it
What?
depends on your niche. If your niche is hanging out there and
Yeah.
talking to a lot of different, like if LinkedIn is where your niche is hanging out, then that's a good place to do it. I
Yeah.
literally just I'll send them a message and just be like, "Hey, I know that we haven't met before, but my name is Evan, and I see that you're in so and so niche, and I'm just reaching out. I'm just reaching out to because I'm interested in what you're doing inside of the niche." And you just kind of sign off with your name. So that's how you kind of like grow connections a little bit. So you're not
Yeah.
100% what you
Yeah.
said
Yeah.
before, Josh. You're
Keep it
you're
simple.
not selling anything in the first bit because you want to get that connection first, and then you just kind of opening out, and then you're also like you're curious about what they're doing too. So like a good way to do that as well is just to go on their LinkedIn profile as well because you get a notification if someone visits. Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. With LinkedIn. Yeah. Just send. I mean, there are softwares out there. LinkedIn cracks down on it a lot. So, I mean, you won't get banned, but it just won't even do that. I mean, like some now you can only send like 25 connections per day. And I mean, you can really do that manually pretty quick anyways. So it doesn't make that much sense to buy a software at that point. I mean, yeah, there are good ones out there. You can find them. But if you're just starting out, don't worry about that. Get the first month of LinkedIn sales nav, spend that month building up that 500 mark, and then see what happens. Stay on the platform. Like if you want to be good at cold messaging on a platform, or if you want to get clients on a platform, you literally need to spend a ton of time just on the platform. Either just I don't know how this helps, but like just scrolling through it, just being on it, getting used to it, because for some reason you're gonna be able to like just collect data or see patterns that work well, and that's what I do with Facebook. Like I live on Facebook now, and that's how I built up my audience and how I started cold messaging was just staying on Facebook like all the time, like more than any other platform. And that's what helped me. So that's what I say for that.